inside, it's coming up here.
It's coming up
here.
here.
So I think this is the you know, the
floor drain,
flow drain,
yeah, for the pan, yeah.
So there's,
yeah.
so I mean, that probably should have a backflow valve on it, eh?
In this era of house, probably not. No, just go straight house.
But it probably maybe should,
yeah,
eh?
It should, yeah, because look
so
what just happened.
Here's a clean out here too, David.
Okay. Right.
I don't know. So we had a flooding here at one point years ago, and we got the drain tile all redone, and so I'm not sure if that's
related. Yeah,
whether
probably
that's drain tile or whether that's
sewer,
and I don't
sanitary.
know if it has a backflow on it or not.
Okay,
and I can take you over to the other suite. And the odd thing is, and here you can come in here too and leave your shoes on here, but there was also water in here, and it looked like it was coming up from
the base of the toilet.
Is that?
Yeah, that looks like a strong indicator of a main sewer issue. Yeah, further afield, something beyond this point. If water were to back up here and back there, that means there's something closer to the city. Going outwards, potentially roots from outside. When I pulled up, I was hoping, when I pulled up, I said, hopefully it's not the house with the trees. And then lo and behold,
so that stupid tree in front that is. So it looked
migrating.
like, just with the bits of dirt coming up, there was a little bit. I thought, okay, that's something that's coming up.
And look, see is that at the back as well? You see that kind of?
Yeah, I haven't dried that out yet. I just
and that was remnants of it.
So it was coming all the way down here, but it. Yeah. So it was. I mean, it was coming into the other suite. You probably don't need to see that. But when I tested it, the water in the tub in the suite, I turned the sink and the tub on. And it started bubbling up here.
It started bubbling up here. Oh, there you go.
So, and the water was just going through the wall at the base, but there's no other sign of. I didn't see any sign of leakage, but it definitely was bubbling up there.
So unfortunately, it's not like an isolated issue to, like, let's say just the laundry setup or just the toilet setup. Because we have multiple fixtures backing up.
There's probably an access along here. Like that's the main.
That's your main, right? Yeah. Cast iron right there.
So that might be the only clean out there. This is the newer drain tile.
Very good.
I don't know of any other clean outs.
On the outside, any vertical ones. Well, where's the sump? Did they install a sump? Like a sump? A big concrete manhole? No. So where do the drains go?
I think they go out from the roof.
Yeah, from the roof.
Tile?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think they go out to the city.
Did they get it inspected?
It was with an insurance claim, but there is no sump.
Interesting. This too.
Or this.
Or that, yeah. Oh my God, it's the size of the house.
That's where the raccoons are getting into the roof too. So.
Oh yeah.
But the city will let you take it
touch
out.
it. Yeah, it's tagged, right? Yeah.
So do you think is this is this?
I don't know what's in here. It's full of water in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that gurgled right there. So we are.
It comes up.
That's great. Well, it's not great.
It's not great, but it's good. But now you know.
It narrows stuff down for us, you know.
Yeah.
What does that look like? Is that all right? Yeah.
It's come up a bit.
Okay, good.
It's not overflowing.
But not by not much. Okay. that sound? Oh yeah, we are roots.
So there's another tree beyond that too.
We are root heavy, all right.
Yeah. Would you be able to? Will you push it out again?
See, that's the thing. This only clears a certain diameter of.
But to see if there's something further along.
I
think that's it.
With the camera?
Oh no, just with this, because there's another tree out.
I went about 50 feet.
Oh, you did? Oh,
I went 50 feet. Yeah, I went beyond the 25-foot mark there.
Right. Okay.
I went beyond that. So, but one go is all you can do really.
Yeah.
With a cutter like this for this style. We do have other types of cutters where we can actually clean each joint, and we can watch it on camera.
Right.
We have another special tool. It's called precision cleaning.
Yeah, yeah.
So we insert the camera, and then we have a separate type of snake, and we can actually observe ourselves cleaning joint after joint after joint after joint all the way out to the city.
Right. Okay.
That's a separate service that we offer. This merely gets you up and running.
Yes, yeah.
Do
you want me to start flowing the bathtub?
Yeah, that would be great.
And, and flush, or just for starters?
Yeah, everything. Yeah. Go. It's flowing. Okay.
So, I mean, it hasn't happened since the flood happened, maybe probably 4 years ago that was, because it was way before COVID.
Okay.
COVID's the marker, eh?
Oh yeah, COVID's like the
before or after
point.
COVID?
Yeah.
So maybe actually it might have been 5 years ago. So, I mean, maybe it's hard to, the tenants should have told me in that suite that it wasn't emptying properly, but of course they didn't. So, yeah,
they need to be a bit proactive. Especially when it comes to this stuff. Like you got off very good here. I'm so happy that you intercepted it in time.
Oh my goodness, and I don't even, I don't live in the city, so this usually, I just happen to be here.
Oh, is that right? Yeah. Okay.
My mom's just got out of hospital, 95 years old, and she just broke both of her shoulders with a fall.
You want to hear a better one? I had a customer and she fell over right there with me and broke her hip and her femur at the beginning of August. I had to call 911 and the fire brigade up in a condo, up in a high rise.
Oh my goodness.
But yeah, old age is
it's
like,
horrible.
My God.
But, she's 6 weeks in hospital and rehab, and she's back home and walking around and making her own breakfast meals.
Tough as nails.
Great. Yeah,
tough as nails. Like.
And I'll go to the other suite and flush too.
Great. Flush it from upstairs. Draining?
Yeah, just
I can put that in.
Okay, I just put the cover back there, and then that just.
Oh yeah. Okay.
There's 2 screws should be there.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. I take
great. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you.
It's the least I could do.
And you can leave all this stuff out of there because it shouldn't be in there anyway, so I'll clean that up.
No problem.
Thanks.
No problem.
I've also got to be somewhere on the east side at 3 o'clock. So if you're feeling good about being there on your own, I'll just maybe carry on and I'll be back around 4:30, 4:30. Okay. I think you've got cocktail hour at 3 o'clock downstairs.
Screws into the place where you put bolts, like.
You have Paula, the physio, coming over at 4:15. Busy day. Well, I'll be home in time. I'll be back to your place in time for Paula, and we'll go from there.
Designed for screws. It's designed for bolts. Yeah, that's as far as I can go. Look good here. I mean, they did a good effort of trying to earthquake proof it, you know, by putting it onto the drywall. I mean, that's ingenuity. Like, they wasted the whole packet of strapping to the drywall, not even to the concrete, not even to the brickwork.
Yeah.
Anyway, I've seen it all.